I'm Richard Rahn, a principal with the Leonardo Group, your partner in Lean Excellence. We're excited to be presenting another 3-day Lean Material Management workshop at Toyota's award-winning plant in Indiana. And I want to give you a quick preview of this unique learning opportunity. Hosted by Toyota Industrial Equipment Manufacturing and sponsored by the partner companies of the Lean Factory Group, this workshop combines classroom instruction, small group work sessions, software tools, and a simulation exercise of an actual mixed model lean material delivery system. This event takes place in the Corporate Training Center attached to Toyota's million-square-foot production facility, which builds fork trucks for Toyota's growing North American markets. 2 extensive plant tours led by Toyota executives illustrate the lean principles and Kanban techniques covered in the classroom and workshop sessions. There's no better way to reinforce what you learn than to see it in action by the experts. The Lean Material Workshop is built around 12 instructional modules developed by the Leonardo Group consulting team, all seasoned experts in designing and implementing successful Kanban systems. These tightly written and clearly presented classes include plenty of real-life stories to illustrate the solutions that actually work and why. There's always time for input and questions, and each module concludes with a quick knowledge check to assure that everyone has picked up the key takeaway points. Each day we break into smaller work teams to complete a learning activity. You'll calculate Kanban quantities, safety stocks, replenishment schedules, and space requirements for a Kanban supermarket, and design a milk run replenishment route for final assembly. You will also be using software tools in these exercises. Workshop attendees will learn to create a materials plan for a mixed model production line, and then prepare it for line live in Toyota's production demonstration facility. You'll be using software tools and simulation modeling tools in addition to the manual material delivery design exercises. Best of all, the classroom work is reinforced with what we see and learn in the plant tours on days 2 and 3. Here you'll see mixed model single-piece flow manufacturing at its very best. The Toyota material handling plant produces over 60 models on just 2 lines at a takt time of just under 4 minutes. Fork trucks come with an almost infinite variety of options and accessories, and all these parts requirements are accommodated on the line as well. How the Toyota associates make this work so well is an unparalleled example of Kanban-based pull material management. This pull system for a complex product family can only work with frequent trips, light loads, and a very quick responsiveness to changing needs. Taiichi Ohno, father of the Toyota production system, described this approach as being like the well-known Asian water strider insect, moving lightly and quickly between the supply area, the Kanban supermarket, and the point of use in assembly. Here's a picture of Toyota's Kanban supermarket area, which handles approximately 10,000 SKUs, refilling Kanban bins retrieved 12 times per shift by the milk run operators. Amazingly, this supermarket-based replenishment system makes it possible for the plant to turn all of its line-side inventory twice a day. The entire plant is carefully laid out with a physical address system tied into the Kanban database. Every movement of parts, bins, Kanban cards, and tow tractor trains is carefully linked. Here you see a Kanban card and its well-marked floor location. Toyota uses a decoupled replenishment system. That is, one team restocks the bins, collects the Kanban cards, and retrieves empty bins, while another team in the supermarket processes Kanban cards and reloads bins with parts for the delivery carts. Over a dozen milk run routes serve the plant, most of them operating with tow tractors pulling one or more carts or carriers. All workstations are supplied with parts from the aisles, typically with flow racks holding 2 or more Kanban bins per SKU. This frees up operators to focus on quality and productivity and eliminates confusion and excess motion from the workplace. The level of 5S organization is first class, as you see here. Toyota Material Handling employs about 1,000 hourly associates working in one shift. The plant went into operation 23 years ago, and in that time has gone from startup to the dominant market share position for North America and the world. A key factor in this huge success has been employee engagement in continuous improvement, or Kaizen. Each employee, on average, contributes 1.5 productive suggestions per month. the vast majority of which are implemented. This keeps Toyota's performance always ahead of even the most determined competition. Throughout the million square feet of production space, one sees visual indicators of key performance metrics. The 12 daily parts milk runs operate like a finely calibrated train system, with countdown clocks showing minutes to departure at certain locations. Everyone in the building keeps an eye on attainment to schedule and tack times, maintaining a level, reliable tempo throughout the shift. Level scheduling is the key to keeping all of these elements in sync. Finally, all the tours stop in the glass house located on the production floor. Here, key metrics from all functions and assembly areas are posted and updated at least daily. The leadership team, including the president, meets here every morning for a brief, crisp overview of operations, issues, and improvement measures. This focus on the Gemba, where value is added and the work gets done, is the real secret to Toyota's success. This has been just a quick preview of the Lean Material Management Workshop and the Toyota facility tours. These 3-day workshops, limited to only 32 participants, have been selling out, and we are delighted to offer one more material management workshop this year. Our attendees have come from all over the United States and some from overseas to see and learn these cutting-edge material management strategies. And we hope you'll join us in September. So register today. You can find out more and register at www.leanfactorygroup.com or give us a call at 303-494-4693, and we hope to see you there.